The decision to switch to a learning management system is easy, but the hard part comes when choosing an LMS. Many factors have to be considered, like LMS costing includes setup fees, maintenance expenses, licensing fees, and other additional costs, and the LMS pricing model is always a serious consideration. Most LMS providers demand per learner, per year basis. Also, vendors are charging per active user or per learner, per user basis. Paradiso LMS, being the scalable and reliable platform that provides customized LMS pricing, you can sign up for 100+ members within your account. LMS costing at Paradiso is tailor-made as per the client's requirements. What features does Paradiso include? Paradiso LMS includes gamification to make learning and training more fun, social learning, blended learning, mobile learning to access training anytime and anywhere, advanced reporting to track progress and boost performance, SCORM, AICC, TINCAN compatible, learning paths, performance management, custom branding to personalize as per your learning requirement and certifications to reward learners on their course completion. It also includes add-ons like 100+ integrations course catalog with 7,000+ courses. How Paradiso differs from others. Flexibility in accessing the content. Users can have flexibility in delivering the training allows learners to learn anytime, anywhere. In addition, it will enable us to provide engaging online training programs through various channels such as LMS, webinars, virtual classes, and more. Reach out to every part of a company with Extended Enterprise. With Extended Enterprise, you can train partners, employees, or customers. In addition, you can create multiple customized and branded tenant infrastructures within your LMS. Custom branding to personalize training. We understand that companies' needs vary widely and that no two companies are alike. For this reason, we have worked to ensure that Paradiso LMS serves as a fully customizable learning management system, which can be tailor-made to fit your exact business needs. Customize the report as per your need. Paradiso LMS provides you with pre-made out-of-the-box reports that are distributed between categories. There are drop-down categories in all the reports. You can have every type of report inside the platform and personalize them as you wish. Paradiso LMS pricing fairly depends upon the requirements such as per active user's usage or per month usage or annual usage. For more information on selecting the ideal LMS for your business and to know about the relatable LMS pricing, get in touch now.